Look at the little babies. Look like little monks. Ooh, LaFonda. Fonda's crazy. There's the little blonde stupid chick. Constantly lost. Cute. Cute little blonde stupid chick. Okay, get the little blonde stupid one over here. Uh-oh, chicken's gonna eat it. See? See? Emma, see? You're going the wrong way. You're going the wrong way. Your brothers and sisters are the other way. Yeah, I'm gonna catch you. Okay, catching. No, I'm not. No, don't go through there! Okay, I got you. What is your problem? Oh my gosh, you're such a blonde. There. Safe. With your... Oh, that's the evil chicken too. That's an evil chicken. That's the one I'm probably going to cut its head off. I might cut its head off. We just won't tell you when we cook it. No, you won't. Yeah, you will. Yeah, you will. That one. Mango's the orange one with the bald neck, and then Agnes is the black one with the bald neck. The black one with the fluffy head is LaFonda, and the little white one is Marcy. Uh-oh, chicken attack. Big chicken's gonna eat them. That's slightly horrifying, isn't it, babies? Ew, they're so bad. You're ridiculous. You're so stupid. Well, maybe you should stop if they're making welts on your lips. Holy moly, seriously? That is the logical thing to do. Crazy. These guys love me. They won't. I'm a chicken whisperer. You love me. Now, if these aren't the most attractive chicks ever on planet Earth, I don't know. Like, see there on the right, that's LaFonda and his sister Heather, and then you have Heather, and then you have Agnes, and then way over here we have Miss Mango. Actually, I don't think we can name it Mango. That's Mick's cat's name. Ooh. And then we have a big chubby-faced meanie who's gonna, like, eat the chickens. Don't eat the babies. Don't eat the baby. Oh, good. It's like a dinosaur coming through. And then there's ridiculousness in the background. I don't know what she's doing. Well, duh. Well, that's stupid. So she's complaining because she's bleeding, but she was feeding... Well, you feed goldfish crackers to the chickens with her mouth. So, feel free to Facebook her and tell her she's an idiot. Okay, Brian. So, yesterday, I'm at Murdoch's, and I am looking at the little bin of baby chicks. And there was one of them that was there running around with something in its mouth. All over the place. It looked like part of the bedding. The other chicks were chasing it. And then it put it down, and then it picked it up again. And I was like, wait a minute. That looked really weird. So I reached in and plucked it from its little beak. And lo and behold, this is what it was. It's a little baby wearing a little blue diaper. So, obviously, as you can see, I rescued the baby. But it was just what I expected a chick at Murdoch's to be running around with in its mouth. Let's see what they think. Obviously, they don't find the baby that interesting.